Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll call this my weekend challenge. Let me call it my weekend challenge. I'm going to highlight some of the things which happened this week, the closure of this week on Friday. The things which I highlighted to you are going to happen, and they happened. I expected people to share that video, but they didn't. But it's okay. We always get those second chances, especially in the forex market, which has each and every single moment has kept providing prices and setups for each and everyone to trade. So this was my analysis. I highlighted on this weekly inversion fair value gap, and I said this fair value gap was inversed. As you can see, it was inversed so many times, and we are currently on a downside. We have taken some liquidity around this region. So on a daily time frame, as you can see, this was the region where we tapped into the price. My target were these sell stops around this place, relative equal lows, which were tagged beautifully. On the 4-hour time frame, I highlighted on this in fair value gap, this 4-hour fair value gap, this one, and this was my entry level, targeting these relative equal lows or sell stops here beautifully. So this market, it is easy to time it. It is easy to time it using the things which are taught online, the YouTube channels, especially this one. You will have that edge which will help you to guide you in finding those setups which will help you to trade. So this coming week, I'm going to be off the markets, waiting for another setup. It will we have an NFP on Friday, next Friday, so I won't be trading the NFP. So it is advisable for you also to just be still and wait for setups to formulate, and don't be in a rush. When we go to a British the pound dollar, this is what transpired. It was bullish also. So you can see we had this SMT with the euro dollar. We had this market structure shift here, okay, the fair value gap, and this SMT was created, and some relative equal lows sell stops were tagged around this place, on a weekly time frame. I've drawn this Fibonacci level to give me the discount and the premium levels in my chart. As you can see, this, if you draw a Fibonacci from this place to this high, from this low to this high, you can see the 50% level of that range. So below the 50%, it is my discount level. Above, it is my premium level. So which means that despite the fact these lows were taken, I might still market might still want to come down to this level, but we are going to wait. So coming this week, what I want you to try and journal is to find out if we are going to get a retracement from this place. This is a weekly chart. If you get a retracement from this place, and hopefully this place will form a fair value gap on a weekly time frame. This is likely the order block, the weekly order block. So we are going to wait for a fair value gap to form, which will help us to trade and to adjust our areas of entry so that we can target this level, this low and this level. So just wait. Imagine if you try and trade from this place, you might go on losses because market is going to be choppy, because this low was taken. So these are sell stops, and market will try to retrace because some stops were taken out. So I don't think it will continue down from this place. It will try and retrace. Now it is up to you to wait and see if a fair value gap will be formed at this place, and it will help you to adjust yourself with the market and try to get whatever you can using the tools and some of the things which have been provided to you by the market. So this is the British pound USD, the weekly time frame. So that's what I'm trying to do this week. This week I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to enter into charts and put a trade, because I'm going to wait and see whether I'll find something. Okay, have a nice weekend. As you are planning to go and journal with your charts, I urge you to put all of this into consideration, because market doesn't know who you are. It doesn't really know who you are. If it decides to destroys you. If you are not ready, so you must wait. Just learn to wait. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching with this video without subscribing, just subscribe to my channel for more.